Today I met Mdabantu Sibanda. This is a gentleman who sells some wooden carvings and the art that he makes in Victoria Falls, which is at SINATHANKAWU shopping market, and it's right behind the Elephant's Walk shopping mall next to the Shearwater Explorer Village and Ilala Lodge.
This is my shop. Actually, I started this thing, it was 1991. Some of my items I make them myself. Some of my items I normally order them from some other people, and some I normally trade. Actually, like wooden stuff, I'm the artist myself, and some of the things it has got a history behind. And like the Bushmans, they are the non-gathered, the first people who were living here in Victoria Falls. So the Victoria Falls actually belongs to the Tonga people, because this is the Tonga region. So some of my sculptures, they represent Tonga people, like these sculptures called Naminjunga. Naminjunga means she was born in a Christmas day on the 25th, like Jesus. So she was a lucky enter. So his husband was called Luanika. Luanika means charity, to bring people together. Actually, these are made of iron wood, the strongest wood, and some they are made of ebony. Ebony, they're looking black. These brown ones, they are made of iron wood, which is called lead wood in scientific name. So these red ones, these are made of teak. And some of my material stuff, they are made of, this is potato print. It's made of a raggy material. This is potato print. The reason why you are saying it's a potato print, we normally use a print from a potato. Then we stamp them by potato. Actually, these are sun prints. The sun prints, these are made by hands and the oven to heat them to get stick with its painting. Then this is batik. This is called an original batik. An original batik, it's the hardest material among these materials which you have seen. For the prices, they are highly negotiable actually. I don't have fixed price because I made these things myself. And all of this stuff actually, they are indigenous here. They are made here. There is nothing which is imported here. They are all made in Zimbabwe. So actually, these round ones, and they are made by the same artists which are making the long ones. These are made of teak, most, the strongest material. Then the spoons are made of olive. They are made of olive wood, the bones. There are different types of bones here. Actually, some they are domestic, some they are from the parks. We normally buy these from the parks when they did their hunting during the time of culling. Some they are made of giraffe bones, and then these ones they are made of impala horns. These are made of impala horns. So these are most useful things actually. The shirts, I'm the one who did this. Because I did cutting and designing from school. That's the only thing which I did from school. Then these other things, I learned them from the four brothers, so that I'll be using just the natural intelligence. I learned them from my four brothers, so that, by the way, that is natural intelligence which I don't make this myself. I got this from the Shona people, and they are made of different type of stones and different qualities. Actually, here I've got maker stone for the hippos and the rhinoceros, the brown ones. Those are called maker stones. And then I've got malachite for that other sculpture there, which is looking green. Then those are made of spring stones, those big ones, those are looking black. Some they are made of serpentine. Black serpentine, then opaline, then dolomite. I've got soapstone, which is so soft. They're fragile, but it needs to take care of them. Those are fat ladies. The fat ladies are presenting those people who are fat and abnormally on their structures. These are made of hard rocks. These are made of serpentine. Like this brown one, that is called Mkondo basalt. The reason why it's called Mkondo basalt, because it was discovered by the man who was called Mkondo, so the Shona men. And then this brown one, this is brown dolomite. This is brown dolomite. And these things are representing different things. Some they are representing flowers, some they are representing animals, some they are representing acrobatic people, some they are representing actually people carrying lovers. Some they are lovers, some they are mother, father, and a child. Some they are thinking the many problems, like these ones, holding their hands. Then these are book stoppers to hold the books when you will be binding the books. Then this one to represent a family of 5, the happy family of 5. Then this is a family of 5. It represents the father, mother, and the 3 children. And then I've got the owls. The owls, these are the birds, actually the wise birds, which we normally live with them within our environment. Then that is a fish eagle. The bird, the wise bird, which is found in the Zambezi, which depends on fish. They look like pelican birds, but actually they are not the pelicans. This is the fish eagle. So this is an eyewitness. The one who saw the incident where it was happening is called an eyewitness. This is a hard rock. And also this one is an eyewitness on a different sign, on a different action. Then these are sculptures, these are ladies, these are modelers. These are modelers. Normally these ones we can buy sometimes to put outside, and most of these things you can put them inside, indoor, you can put them outside. They resist any weather, so they don't contract, they don't expand. Then there's another eyewitness. There's an eyewitness, and it's called a moon face because it's looking like the arc of a moon. It's called an eyewitness. Then there's a man playing lira. There's a man playing lira. Lira is an instrument which are used by the Shona when they are doing their ceremony. Actually, it's called lira. This one. So these are old age people. 67 September 18. So my age, I'm 53 years.
So do you have children?
Yes, I've got children. Yes, I've got 7 children.
They go to school?
Yes, they went to school, some, but one, she got a child before she finished.
Okay. So this is the only source of income that you have?
This is the only source of income which I'm getting. Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.
Okay.
We wish you all the best. And how has COVID-19 affected your business so far?
COVID-19, it's very hard for me, and the life is complicated and hence for me. And there is no way where I can get beside tourism because I depend on tourism. And this is the only source of income which I'm doing. And for now, I cannot say I'm desperate actually because there is God, but I'm bankrupt.
Yeah.
See what I mean?
Okay.
Yes, please.
Okay, we wish all the best. We hope things will normalize very soon and you get back to business.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Thank you. My name is Mdabantu.
Thank you.
Mdabantu Sibanda.
Thanks.